Tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Ondo cryptocurrency on the Kraken application. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom and press on Explore. Once you're on the Explore page, go to the top here and type in ONDO or Ondo. Once Ondo's here, go ahead and press on at the top. If you want to purchase Ondo, go to the bottom and press on Buy Ondo. Once you're here, type in the amount, so I'll just type in 1250 as an example. If you want to proceed with the transaction with Ondo, go to the right hand side, press on the purple arrow. Then you can review the amount of Ondo you're buying, the price of it, the fee, the total, and if you want to proceed and all looks good to you, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button, and then follow the next steps after. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Ondo cryptocurrency on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.